Welcome back. An Israeli university developing a new test for COVID-19 that's apparently producing accurate results in under a minute.
Trey Yingst is live testing it out firsthand. Trey, tell us about this. This is interesting.
Rob, Jillian, good morning. A university team in Israel has developed a rapid coronavirus test capable of delivering results in under a minute. The team here at the Ben Gurion University of the Negev is led by Professor Gabi Sarusi, and their team says they are conducting tests with up to 90% accuracy compared to the traditional swab test. It's a very simple test using a plastic breathalyzer and a nanochip. This professor tells us he was bored during quarantine and decided to call up a friend and actually 3D print this prototype. Here's a look at what it's like actually taking the test. What's unique about this test is that the results come back in under a minute. So once it is available to the general public in places like airports and bus stations, people could easily take this test and know within a minute if they test positive for COVID-19.
Thank you.
It's a simple test. Easier than a breathalyzer. You just blow in 3 times, and then the nanochip inside is going to be analyzed to determine whether or not I test positive for COVID-19.
Usually in the medical arena, in biological arena, you have to do a lot of tests in order to get statistics. But in physics, once you have the theory, once you have the simulation, and you know exactly what you are expecting to see, and when you see it, one is enough.
We see that the spectrum is exactly overlapping. There's no difference between the reference one and your one.
The fact that we see that there are overlap says that you are healthy.
A relief there to see that my test came back negative, but increased testing is only going to help the world return to normal, according to this professor. As the world does wait for a COVID-19 vaccine, there are a number of projects happening around the world like this, but here in Israel, the hope is they are going to be able to introduce this test that will quickly make its way to the United States and the rest of the world. Rob, Jillian.
Yeah, some brilliant science coming out of Israel. Thank you so much, Trey.